etc. We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned that when the price was here, we mentioned we need to get a bigger correction. This is what we get. But as we can see, the price broke this top, and based on the indicators, we see the divergence and the price drop. Now we want to see whether we can expect another correction for one more drop to read to price test this trend line. Okay, first of all, we want to see how we can trade it if we move to higher time frame based on forward chart. Okay, as we can see, we have been winning this move and the price have broke the top already. Okay, yes, and now as we mentioned in other charts, most of the charts they have similar way. I mean, the ways move they are moving is similar. That's why if we want to look for buy, we want to see whether this one can turn to a corrections in relative to this. We get the running flat for next move. Okay, that's why we want to see how deep this one can go. If this one become a deeper, can give us better confirmation. Okay, in this case, if we move to 1 hour chart, okay, we have nothing much to talk. The only thing is we're looking for, if we want to look for trade, whether we should take the trade from here or we wait to get one more drop. Okay, as we can see, if this one turn to a correction for one more drop, that means if we get this down move, then we can put in relative to this. Any buy from there is better for us because we can get a better opportunity to look for buy rather than the price start to reverse from here. But how about if the price start to reverse from here? The only thing we can look for with the sharp and fly, because what we have here expanding may, because since as we can see the price broke the top, this one, okay, maybe this one can turn to expanding for one move up. That's why if the price start from here, getting any buy setup within this range, I mean, we don't get a really good trade setup unless we wait for the breakout of the top. Then at the top we look for buy. That's why if this one give us one more drop, then any buy from there, it can give us better opportunity because at that time we will have a this running flat. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart, we see what we get from here, and mostly we will be interested the price to drop, then from there we look for buy. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup that can confirm for the next move, then I will share things.